Hello and welcome to Ajay Stromani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. I am Ria. Today, we are witnessing a significant shift in the copper market as prices post a sharp, conviction-led rally. This movement is being driven primarily by a major policy shift from China, where authorities have moved to tighten oversight on new copper projects. This decision has materially strengthened the medium-term supply outlook, acting as a powerful catalyst for the bulls. With the London Metal Exchange closed for the Christmas and Boxing Day holidays, the global market saw a unique shift in price discovery. The momentum moved decisively toward the Shanghai Futures Exchange and COMEX, which amplified how the market responded to these China-centric fundamentals. The core of this rally lies in a new guidance issued by the National Development and Reform Commission. This policy requires local governments in China to enforce much stricter feasibility studies for copper projects scheduled between 2026 and 2030. By curbing irrational capacity expansion and signaling stronger supply discipline from the world's largest producer, China is effectively reducing the risk of excess refined copper supply in the coming years. Looking at the numbers, the Shanghai Futures Exchange emerged as the dominant driver of this trend. The February 2026 copper contract surged by 3.4% to reach 98,640 yuan per ton. This was a massive rebound from the recent midweek close. What makes this move particularly credible is the rise in open interest by nearly 7,700 contracts, which indicates fresh buying interest rather than just simple short covering. This momentum quickly spread to Western trading hours via the COMEX, where the March 2026 contract advanced around 2.8% to trade near $5.73 per pound. Domestically, here in India, the MCX mirrored these global cues. December 2025 copper futures jumped by approximately 3.6%, reaching a level of around 1,200 Indian rupees per kilogram. This local surge was well supported by the strong overseas prices and a relatively stable US dollar. However, it is important to look at the physical side of the market for a complete picture. While the futures market is soaring, the physical spot market in China is showing signs of resistance. In North China, copper cathode is trading at significant discounts. As transaction prices rose sharply, trade sources noted that suppliers were forced to cut their spot offers just to facilitate actual sales. This has created a widening gap between the strength of the paper market and the reality of physical demand. As we move through this holiday period, it is notable that copper is carrying immense underlying momentum, with London copper already up nearly 39% for the year. Thank you for tuning in to Ajay Stromani Guru. I am Ria, and we will continue to bring you the most advanced analysis on the commodity markets.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ, सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।